Guys, today we are going to discuss how to use magnetic compasses. You would have seen a lot of beautiful compasses which are available on artsci.com. Today I am going to demonstrate how to use a couple of them. This one is a shiny brass magnetic compass, and you can see it has a needle on mounted on it. One end of the needle is red, so this red end of the needle will always point towards the north. Irrespective of what is written on the dial, this will always point towards the north, and and hence the other side of the needle will point toward the south. So if you want to see other directions like southwest, northeast, or west, then in that case you have to rotate the magnetic compass such that the red end of the needle is just above the N written on the dial. You can see the N is written over here. So you have to rotate it such that it comes just above that. Once both this red end of the needle and N on the dial are aligned, you can see all other directions like northwest, southwest, southeast, or if you want to see some angle in the direction, you can check that. It will be highly accurate. Now, coming back to other compasses which are there. Uh, Instead of red marks, you will see that in some compasses uh, on the needle there is N or S written on it. So this is the second type of compasses. Now there is a third type of compass which does not has any needle on it. Like if you see this one, this is Artsci a magnetic compass come paperweight. This has a 4-inch size. So you can see that it has dial itself is moving. So in these kind of compasses, you don't have to do anything to align it. This dial will automatically move and align accordingly. So you can see that it is moving. So here is the north. This side is the north. Now coming back to the previous magnetic compass which I have shown. So if you see, this is a magnetic compass. Let's see what's inside this magnetic compass. You can open this magnetic compass. So this is how you open this magnetic compass. Then you remove the glass along with it, the needle. So now you can see this is the needle, and you can also see there is one needle at the center. So this magnetized needle floats over this needle. So there is no connection between these two. This is to enable that it moves freely on it. Okay. So guys, I hope you have understood how to use these magnetic compasses. Do visit our website www.artsci.com to see our range of magnetic compasses and other home decor products. Thanks a lot.